Hey everybody, this is Mike from Barbecues Galore, and today I'm going to be talking about some of the things that might happen with your propane tank that might prevent you from getting the perfect barbecue. So we've all been there. We've had a barbecue set up, we have a propane barbecue, and all of a sudden it doesn't want to work. It doesn't want to start, doesn't want to heat up, or it's heating up very, very slow. Before you jump to a conclusion, the best thing you can do is actually check your propane tank and see if you need to burp it. So there's a little safety valve in here, okay? And if it triggers and gets locked, it'll prevent the gas from going into the barbecue. So what you need to do is this. Number one, you need to turn the burners off on your barbecue. Make sure they're closed shut. Then you want to close the gas valve on the propane tank. You want to remove the propane hose from the propane tank, and this should let out a little hiss. That's what's called burping the tank. Then you want to reconnect the propane tank. You want to wait about 30 seconds, okay? We won't do that here. And then you want to open the propane tank extremely slow, so maybe just like a quarter turn each way, okay? And what this will do is this will release the safety valve so that you can get your gas going again and the barbecue's ready to go again. This might take a couple of tries, so don't fret. If it doesn't work after that, this might be the regulator on the barbecue or some other problem. And then in that case, I would recommend coming and seeing us, all right? For more information, come visit us at barbecuesgalore.ca.